koro imiyo pek. Jatend jotend migepe mano Musalia Mudavadi koro ojiwo kanyo chenro mag puonjo jopuonjre ewi rito aluora kod ng'eyo mano ewi lokruok mano mar chal mar lwasi. Musalia ma oloso kache romo mar 39 mano mar twak ewi yore mag somo Afrika wacho ni sikunde nigi ting' mar jiwo chenro makamago kata e kindeni makoro kata kit somo mar CBC itiyo godo e pacho kae. Jagoro mongirore migawo mar somo mano Belio Kipsang bende okoni en kinde manyaka koro pinje Afrika oket yore mong'ith mago mag rito penj.
As the Ministry of Education, we don't take this unity for granted, as it has been a pillar in ensuring that the standards of examinations in Kenya are maintained at global standards. Ladies and gentlemen, education is a human right and a powerful driver of development. As we gather here today, this week, we must ask ourselves whether the educational assessments in Africa is giving us the desired results and spurs economic development. The institutions should create a research center that will be able to spur issues of assessment, learning in all areas that we deal with as an African continent.
Climate change has occasioned destruction and calamities from the unrelenting forces of nature. Humanity is on the verge of destitution, thanks to constant threats of droughts, flooding, unpredictable rainfall patterns, outbreak of diseases, and infestation of pests. Rapid behavior change measures need to be taught, practiced, and assessed progressively in our education systems to systematically change citizen behavior in the face of these adversities.